Okay, guys, so this is the hair that I use to do my Senegalese twist. This is the product I use. It's like braiding gel. We ordered it from Amazon. And so what I'm gonna do is I do the like C method when I'm parting my hair. So I just took that section of the hair, pretty much saturated it with the product to get my hair as flat and easy access as possible. So the piece of hair I'm going to separate in threes, and I'm going to show you how I created that little three section piece. So first you're going to do is separate the hair, and you're going to make sure you separate the hair to one piece is smaller than the other, and you want to make sure that one of the sections are very or smaller than the other one, because when you braid it and when you connect it into two, you don't want it to be a lot of hair, so that it can be an easy process to switch the sections of the hair to the two before you start to twist. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start braiding my hair, and I'm usually going to braid it down about 3 or 4 times before I connect the two and braid it and twist it. I said braid it, sorry y'all. Twist it. And so sorry y'all, I'm all in the TV and stuff. I got to keep myself entertained because doing my hair is a long process. Ultimately it took 2 days, but that's neither here nor there. So what I'm going to do is start braiding my hair. And honestly, if you know how to do box braids, start your hair off like you're doing box braids and just braid your hair down. And then once you braid your hair down, you'll get the feel of how much or how long you should braid it down. And then once you braid it down to your desired area, that is when you're going to split that small section into two. And you want to have it small because it's easier, like I said, to add it on and twist it out. Now, I thought I'm showing y'all the best way I can, but the way you're going to do this part is that you're going to twist the hair, and then you're going to like twist the hair. You see what I just did? You twist the hair, and then you do a twist between the two, like a rope style. So like you twist the hair because it helps lock in the hair within the extension hair, and then you twist it just to twist it down like a regular Senegalese look, and you just keep doing that process. And the more I kept twisting and then twisting. That's so crazy to say the same thing twice. But honestly, what I'm trying to say is you twist the hair like that, and then you just wrap it around. So maybe I should say twist and wrap. So you twist the hair, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. So yeah, that's pretty much the same process you're going to be doing all the way down. And a few minutes ago you saw I just got some more products and just wrapped it on my hair. That way it can blend well throughout the twist, because like at this day that I'm recording this voiceover, some of the pieces of my hair I could tell that I didn't add enough product on. It's sticking out that I'm gonna have to redo. But and you can see here really good the C-section part that I was talking about earlier. I find that way works better for me. I don't like the box braid style. It just looks, I don't like it. I don't even know how to explain how it looks. I just don't like it. So pretty much here I'm just twisting it down, and then to seal my ends, I'm going to go in with a lighter. I have not mastered the knot process, which I feel like it may be a better step, because the knot process probably would help eliminate the like, if you know anything about the lighter process, you know like sometimes your hair can get stuck to like clothing or different items depending on what it is. So I definitely want to work on that, but honestly I don't even braid my hair enough or do hair enough to be worried about it or concerned. Braiding or any type of technique that includes extensions are not something I offer, so I'm not interested in trying to master it. But yeah, I'm just twisting it down as you can see here, and then I'm going to burn it with my lighter, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to let y'all watch some of these clips and see me just do the rest of my hair, and I'll come back for the dipping or any other steps that I may have not mentioned prior before. Alright, y'all, so I'm just showing y'all here that I'm on my last braid. So I'm going to go ahead and start the water so that it can be heating up, so that by the time I finish this braid, it'll be ready to be dipped. So I did run out of the product, so I ended up using the Got to Be gel for my hair. And yeah, that's what I had to use. I mean, you got to just use what you got. So I'm going in and just doing my 3-section here, and I'm about to do my last and final braid, y'all. It's just, listen, kudos to anybody who enjoys doing that on her, but I do not. I do it because I can, and I like doing it, but it's like them videos where people say, like, you started, but then as you started halfway there, you like, what did I just get myself into? It always be like one of them situations, but I love how my hair look in the end. But anyhow, so yeah, we just gonna fix this last piece, and then by that time, my hair, the water should be good and ready, and then we're gonna dip that, so that way we can go ahead and seal these ends and these wefts. I'm calling them wefts, but y'all, I'm referring to the portion where I burned the ends of the hair to stop it, and I just call it seal it, so that way we can make sure that it does not unravel. And that's pretty much it for the hair. Let me give y'all a little view. Believe it or not, this is my first time ever doing Senegalese hair, and I love how it turned out. So the water is ready. You can see the smoke. The thing be getting so hot, y'all. Like, I'm surprised I never burned myself, like real life burn, where I had to go to the hospital for it, because it'd be so hot. But I'm just getting a towel, prepping myself for the dip, because I try to keep, I haven't, it's easier to do on someone else's hair, but when you're doing your own hair, sometimes it gets a little bit harder to dip and like have somewhere to place the hair without, I should have stood up. Now that I'm seeing this, I should have stood up, dipped it in there, and just stood over it so the water could drip in. But hey, you live and you learn. So I use a towel to like dry off the hair, and then I'm just gonna run my fingers through the hair to just go through and make sure no hair has gotten stuck to each other, because sometimes when you dip the hair, it can get stuck to another piece of hair, and you'll just have a whole other problem. So then I'm just looking to see, pulling the hair that may have be little sheds of different pieces, and then I see where I need to re-dip some pieces back into the water to straighten them out some more. I be all into the TV, y'all, but I was all into Bel Air. It's really a good show, y'all, but I'm pretty much done with dipping my hair. I like to go in with some type of grease or product to rub on the ends of my hair, because it helps keep it soft, and I love the way it smells too. But that's pretty much it for this video. I loved how it turned out for my first time doing Senegalese twist. If you love the tutorial or like type of step process that I do when I'm doing my hair, please make sure you comment in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next video.